Welcome back to another episode, guys. We're out here with JJ. Got his Tinny out here.
How you going?
Absolute stunner of a day. It's really high tide at the moment. We're out at Withnells out at Dampier. So the plan is punch straight out. We got our spear gear. Don't know if we're going to be spearing yet. More than likely we will, because the viz looks pretty good at the moment. It's mint day. But we also got like a few lures and stuff, so we'll be chucking those around. But yeah, just gonna load up, get the boat in the water, and pretty much just send it straight out there. So I'll see you guys out. We just pulled up to this rock ledge, just having a bit of a flick. We got the lure on, see what's around. Old mate Mr. Turtle's there. Might get the drone up for you guys, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, if there's nothing here, we're just gonna keep moving. So this is what they call the foam passage, I'm pretty sure, out at Dampier, and that's what we're cruising along at the moment. There's an island out there. There'll probably be a few bommies out, so pretty much today we're just gonna have a suss, see what's out. If there is good ground, we're gonna jump in, go for a dive. But at the moment, just having fun flicking lures and see what happens. Just pulled up to this island, gonna have a flick and probably a dive around those rocks over there. Just thought I'd show you guys. Look at these tracks. Pretty sure these are turtle tracks. I've come up here and there would be turtle nests all up here. One thing I really want to see that I haven't seen yet is turtles hatching. Fingers crossed I get to see that. I think it's a bit late in the season at the moment, but yeah, basically turtle nests and straight back. Anyways, probably go get stirred up now, jump in the drink. Hopefully get a real nice trout or blue bone would be nice for today. But span out here is pretty nice. Righty, got the weddy out, just gonna have a suss around here. The viz isn't too great today on this side of the island, but around closer in it should be alright. So yeah, we'll have a suss. If there's nothing here, we'll probably punch around the island. There's a few other bits and pieces we'll go check out, but hopefully there is a nice coral trout or blue bone around here, or even crays. There's some pretty good ledges around. So we'll just jump in and have a sauce. Ready? Let's go. guys could see, not much home, so we're gonna move spots. Had a little dive. Did see like some school mackie, but they were a bit small and they were too quick to shoot anyway, so catch my breath. Anyway, so basically the plan is move spots and find somewhere a bit clearer than here and more ground to search. Hope you guys can hear me as well, because this GoPro's just been in the water and it is a bit windy, so yeah. Anyways, we'll move spots and keep you guys updated. Pulled up here, got a little Halco gold lure on. Just gonna have a bit of a flick, see if we can get anything. Yeah. Oh, something went through it. Looked like a cold trout. Again. Alright guys, no luck. There was something that sort of went for the lure but swum off. So we're going to go along these rocks and see if there is anything else. Have a bit of a cast around. And then there was a bommy back over there. If there's nothing here, we'll go jump in and have a look. As soon as it hit the water. Really? Oh, there's heaps of bait fish we just went over just there, eh? Oh, here, look. I don't know, I was chasing them. Got something? Yeah. Oi! Yeah. Baby trouty. There we go. Little trouty. Come back. Bring your parents. Oh, he's off. What is that, a trevally or something? We bring it up this side.
Not bad.
Come on, it's just dog. You got one?
Yeah.
Big golden trevally.
Let it go?
Yeah. Hey buddy. Nice. Yeah, he's gone now. He's gone. One of those, but this size would be good. Alright guys, so I didn't end up getting too much more, but I mean, it's better than a day at work. So we're just heading in now. The tide has actually dropped, so we're hoping we can get the tinny in just enough. We can see the bottom here. It's only what, 1.8? 1.2. So we're going to try to snake the tinny in. Just have to watch these bommies across here. So yeah, still a beautiful arvo. Would have been good to have a cook up on the island next time. This is so shallow. 0.9. Just letting it idle in at the moment. It is very, very, very shallow. Well, that's a wrap to the video, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. You don't have to, it's completely free. It just helps my channel grow. So big shout out to all you guys that are watching and all the support, really do appreciate it. But yeah, that was pretty much a wrap to the channel. Fishing is just like that sometimes. Some days you don't get much, some days you get heaps. But yeah, we still had a great day out. It was good fun. So yeah, hopefully on the next ep we do catch a few big fish, go for a bit more of a dive in clearer water, just waiting for this wind to die off so we can go back out. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next ep. Stay tuned.